3/16 inch spacer. It will help center the shutter in the frame of the window. Just tape it into place temporarily. To locate the pintle location, make a mark in the center of the top and bottom trim of the window. Place the shutter approximately 1/8 to 3/16 off the center line of the window. Because this is a functional shutter, our placement of the pintles need to be accurate. With the shutter in location, slide a pintle into place. Mark and drill a pilot hole for the pintle screw. The top pintle is dropped in from the top. This locks the shutter into position. So slide the pintle down on the hinge. Use your center line or level to determine the location of the upper pintle. Then drill a pilot hole for the mounting screws and place a single screw to temporarily hold your pintle. A screw gun with a clutch adjustment will prevent stripping or shearing the stainless steel screws. To establish proper spacing and squaring the shutter, you might find it helpful to place a 3/16 or 1/4 inch shim between the shutters to establish an even space prior to setting the pintles. Once you've installed your pintles, you want to check for operation, and then you can go ahead and install your accessory hardware such as your holdbacks.